Hello friends, today we are going to look at how to install a crash guard on a TVS Jupiter 110 scooter. First install the crash guard in the front area to the scooter. For that, we need to remove the screw on the inner body of our scooter. Then, you need to attach the crash guard inner jointer to it. Then remove the screws and bolts on the right and left of the scooter. After removing it, place the left side crash guard and screw and bolt it tight. Similarly, place the crash guard on the right side and tighten it with screws and bolts. Join the both sides crash guard in the front with a jointer. Then attach the slider on the crash guard. A strong crash guard developed by HT Exhaust Company was installed at the front of the scooter. Now we are going to install the back side crash guard on our scooter. To the scooter, open the back seat and remove the screws on the right and left sides of the back. Then fit the spare bumper fitting on both sides. This will help to hold the back crash guard tight. Then remove the bolt next to the footrest on both sides. The back crash guard must be fitted correctly to the rear of the scooter. Before tightening the crash guard, you need to put a push under the crash guard. Meanwhile, tighten the crash guard and spare bumper fitting with the bolts. That's it, we installed a cross guard on the back side of the scooter. Finally, put the crash guard on the front mudguard of the scooter and tighten it with bolts.